Yo boy delivered. I got his group boarding board. Wait, group boarding number 27.
27. Dang.
Yo boy came through.
Let's go, man.
You guys, we did it. We're going on Rise of the Resistance opening day.
So let's break this down. I clicked over at 8 o'clock. We showed that to you at 8 o'clock and 30 seconds. Boarding group number 45 was being given out.
And we got 27.
That is how fast it is going right now.
That's crazy. And I was just, as you guys were seeing, like I was just refreshing the app, and we were able to do it. But you have to be quick, and you have to have your tickets already linked to who you want in your party. Because had we not done that, we wouldn't have been on the ride today.
No.
We wouldn't have been able to go on.
Not at all.
Yeah. So we're gonna go on Haunted Mansion now.
I'll have a good enough for that.
Here. Alright, so let's talk about some things. Things you guys need to know. We were here at 5 a.m. We got into the park at 8. We had already linked our tickets in the app. And that was a crucial thing to do because at, what, 8:11? Every single boarding pass has been sold out. That's an 11-minute sellout. I have never in the history of Disneyland seen an 11-minute sellout.
Oh, I can believe it. I believe it. I could believe it for sure. And it happened. It's crazy.
And it did it. So Mike calls, because I'm in line for at Splash Mountain. There's 2 places to get actual physical boarding groups, and that's Splash Mountain and Buzz Lightyear entrance area where they used to give out fast passes over there. So I'm in line for Splash. Mike and everybody else is over at Mansion thing doing the whole app
I'm
thing.
literally just refreshing. Like when it hit 7:55, I was just boom, refreshing.
You guys, it was crazy. So Jax calls me and is like, hey, we got a boarding group, and it is 8:01. I'm like, what boarding group did you guys get? 27. The people right next to me 10 seconds later got 45.
Yeah.
It went
That's crazy.
so quickly. It was insane. It was insane. And the roar of the crowd, the energy of the crowd when 8 o'clock hit was awesome. It was so good because everybody started screaming because they got their boarding pass.
I have never been more stressed out in my life trying to get a boarding pass. I was like, refresh! My finger was about to bleed, but we did it. We got it, and it's almost time for us to go on. They're boarding group 25 right now.
Yeah.
So we're right around the corner.
So what time is it right now that we're boarding group 25?
We're around 4 minutes ago, so 9:40.
Yeah, so you guys, this is going so quickly, and obviously, you know, maybe 10 years from now it's not going to be like this.
It won't. It'll settle down.
But at least for this first year and definitely these first couple months, this is how it's going to be. If you want to get the boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance and to continue to do this, you have to be in here and you have to have this ticket link by 8.
Yeah, and again, keep in mind it's also opening day, so it's just crazy today. You guys, we just got off of Rise of the Resistance. Whew.
speechless, so amazing. It is absolutely worth it to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and get down here and get a boarding group, especially on opening day.
Yeah, we rode Rise of the Resistance on opening day. I cannot believe that we were able to actually achieve that. I genuinely didn't think we were going to be able to do it today, but we did it.
We did it. We set ourselves up for success, and we were successful. So, oh my God, I'm speechless.
And it's
guys.
like
It's
totally
amazing.
worth, like, if they didn't do a boarding system and you had to wait 10 hours in line for that ride, I'd do it. I'd do it just to go on it again. It was incredible.
Yes.
Absolutely incredible. And like the sets were practical. It was the perfect blend of screens and sets, but it was mostly like practical effects in that ride, which I love.
Yeah, I would say 95% of it is practical. The screens just add for the fact that you are in space. You are on a Star Destroyer trying to escape it.
And they really do set the tone with, like, even before you get on the ride, when you see all the stormtroopers just lined up, those are real, actual stormtroopers that are like mechanical. Maybe some of them are human, I heard. But that's how this, like, it just sets the tone for this is what you're gonna get on this ride. You're not gonna get a screen, you're gonna get practical effects.
And the cast is doing an amazing job supporting that story, playing their part. I know some of these guys, I've worked with some of these guys in the past, and to just look at them and they're just deadpan in my face and they're like, they're not breaking was amazing.
Yeah, as soon as we got onto like the Imperial ship, I felt like I was in trouble.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna mind my P's and Q's. Oh, I'm on row 4, got it.
Don't mess up.
Don't mess up now. But it was fantastic. We highly recommend you guys, sorry. We highly recommend that you guys come on down and check it out. Again, it has to be boarding system only, at least for the foreseeable future. There were people that were going to the front queue asking to be let in because they didn't know, and the cast member said, no, sorry, you have to get that boarding pass.
Yep.
So make sure to do that, wake up early, get that app, and you guys will be okay. So thank you guys very much for watching.
That's right.
Go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't,
Always be ready.
because you never know where your comps will take you.
Bye.
Do 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 do.